Okay, so this is how you solve this equation. Wait, no, wrong page. This equation, number 8, using a TI-84 plus calculator. So you gotta turn on your calculator. Clear it. Second quit. Okay. So yeah. Wait a second. We're just gonna redo this equation because I already done it. So just don't look at that. So what you're given is x parentheses x plus 1 close parentheses squared plus 2. And so what you have is, this is your h and this is your k. But the thing is, with h, you take the opposite of it. So it's -1 instead, and it's 2. So that is your vertex right now. So you need to figure out your vertex, because your vertex goes right here. So your vertex would be -1 and goes in the middle. So we're just going to plot it first because whatever. Oh, there's your vertex. -1, 2. So -1, 2. That is the center of your thing. So that means that your axis of symmetry is your x. So your x is equal to -1. Okay. So now we're going to plug it into the calculator. So first you click y equals, which is right here. So y equals, and then you plug it into the thing. So you put parentheses x plus 1, close parentheses. You click the squared button, and to get x, you have to click alpha, and then you click STO. So then you click plus 2, and then once you're done with that, you click second graph. And so once you have second graph, you have to fill in the rest of your table. And so what you do is you put in 2 numbers that are over the vertex x and 2 numbers that are under vertex x. So that's -2 and -3 and 0 and 1. So once you figure out the plot points for those, for the y, you figure out what you have in the calculator is 0, the point is 3, and 1 is 6. And that should be the same thing for -2 and -3. So it should be for -2, 3, and for -3, 6. So once you plot that all out, what you have is 0, 3, and 1, 6. So, and then you have 2, 3, and -3, 6. So that's right here. Yeah. And then you connect those. It's a really bad line, I know. And then, so your A is equal to, what is it? Your Y, so that is, wait, no, it's not. Your A is equal to the number right here. This is A. So this would be 1, so your A is equal to 1. It opens upwards, and you can figure that out by looking at your A, which is positive, and positives will always go up and negatives will always go down. So your vertex you already know, which is -1 and 2, and then your domain is all real numbers, and your range is y, and since it goes up, it is y is greater than or equal to 2. And that's how you figure out number 7.